Hi, Christy here from Federal Brace, and today we're introducing the Harmony XL countertop support bracket. When your floating island counter requires an extra heavy-duty support, we have designed just the right bracket for your application. The Harmony XL is built off the popular Harmony hidden bracket design with the same versatility and invisible floating support. However, as the name suggests, the Harmony XL comes with substantially increased material thickness that boosts counter carrying capacities. The 3/8-inch steel used to manufacture the Harmony XL hidden countertop bracket and a 3.5-inch wide support arm makes this the boss of heavy floating counter construction support. The Harmony XL is finished with a durable black powder coat paint and has a right and left configuration on the mounting flange to avoid interference with drawer slides. Installation is easy, so decorate your space with form and function. Thanks for watching. For more product information and made in the USA innovation from Federal Brace, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out federalbrace.com. Stay safe, and we will see you next time.